I want a renaissance to shine a light, be the change we want, set things right. We've been waiting.
Hi friends, welcome back to Spark Craft World. I am back here today with another craft work, that is flower fairy doll. I tried it in a different way and I'll show you how. So let's get started. To make this doll you need coconut shell, acrylic colors, clay and crepe paper. Remove all the coconut fiber and clean the shell thoroughly, and then paint it with white acrylic color. I reuse this coconut as a base for the doll so that it provides a round circular structure for the dress of the doll. With the help of this, the dress sets perfectly in a circular shape. Once coloring is done, let it dry. Now we will prepare the body of the doll with the help of clay. For the recipe of air dry clay preparation, please see the link in the description box. Slowly mold the clay into body shape by pressing it gently as shown here. We will make the hands later once the dress is prepared. Once it is done, paint with the flesh acrylic color. Flesh acrylic color is the skin tone color which suits perfectly for the body color, especially when making dolls. Now stick this on the coconut shell with the help of the glue like this. Let's make the hair now. Take small amount of clay, press the clay at edges in this shape as shown here. Stick it to the doll with glue and then paint it with black acrylic color. We'll move on to the dress. Take a piece of green crepe paper and stretch it like this at the center and stick to the doll with glue. This. Now take red colored crepe paper of length and width 25 centimeters. Then fold it into half as shown here, and at the bottom side stretch it gently like this as shown here, so that it will form a wavy layer and it will give a nice look to the frock. In this pattern, slowly stretch the paper. For making of dolls and other flowers, always use extra stretchable crepe paper so that they are really stretchable. You can see the pattern now, see how it is forming a wavy layer. It will give a really nice look. Then wrap it around the doll and fix it gently with glue. This is how it looks. Take a piece of green colored crepe paper and cut it in the form as shown here in the leaf structure. We'll stick this here as a leaf top on the dress. Now as the dress is ready, we'll move on to the hands. Again take some clay, roll it and adjust it in such a way that you form a hand structure as shown here. Please check the position of the hand before you stick it on the doll. Paint them with flesh color again before you stick it to the doll using clay to match the skin tone. In this way I prepared this both hands and I am sticking them using clay. You can even use glue instead of clay. Take a piece of green colored crepe paper, fold it into half and cut it into a petal shape. We'll use this to make design around neckline. In this way and stick it to the doll as shown here. Like this it forms a design around the neckline. Now we will draw the details of face using sketch like this. And now it's decoration time. I decorated the doll using some decorative stones, sparkle spotties like this. Make this doll by using only paper, but I tried in a different way like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's meet in another craft video soon. Thank you.